Are you sure?
Yeah.
You serious? How do you know this?
I'm a chef. I cook the food for the customer. I have to take care of it, you know. Hello everybody. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Today, I will cooking Singapore noodles. The first step, make the rice vermicelli soft. You can use any type of vermicelli. To make it soft, we just simply put it into the bowl, fill up with the hot water for 30 minutes. Now, this is how I solve the vermicelli. Now we put it to one side. During the noodles are getting soft, we are going to prepare the rest of the ingredients. Right now, what I am using to cook the Singapore noodles is 20 grams of shrimp, 50 grams of bean soup, 40 grams of capsicum, green or red as you like, okay? 5 grams of sliced onion, 80 grams of barbecue pork. Again, 2 teaspoons of MSG, 1 teaspoon of cooking salt, and half teaspoon of white sugar. There's 1 egg I'm also using, okay? You have to mix it up. And 1.5 teaspoon of curry powder. Any type of curry powder is fine. Okay, now, you may be surprised why I'm using so little of onion and shrimp. Okay, I tell you what. The combination of onion and shrimp is not a good combination. You can't eat it together too much. Okay, because why? If you eat onion and prawn together every day and then make it a lot, you know what's going to happen? I tell you, not so seriously. What you need is go and buy a Labrador guard dog.
What's that? What's that?
Labrador guard dog.
I don't get it.
Labrador is a dog.
Labrador?
Labrador.
Oh, because you're going to be blind?
Yeah.
Oh, Alright. Are you sure?
Yeah.
What, so if you eat too much shrimp and onion, you go blind? Together?
Yeah.
You go blind?
Yeah.
For real?
Yeah. If every day you eat a lot of onion and prawn together, okay?
You serious? How do you know this?
I'm a chef. I cook the food for the customer. I have to take care of it, you know. If say, okay, I eat onion 2 hours ago or 3 hours later, I eat another prawn, doesn't matter. If you go together, then make it problem. Give it a problem.
Alright.
Now, the vermicelli is soft enough, it's ready for me to cook. I just pick it up like this and drain the water away, somewhere around 350 grams, okay? Okay, that's it. Now, we heat up the bowl with high heat. Now, when it is hot enough, put in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Put in the onion. Half of the egg. Vermicelli. Put a little bit one. capsicum, shrimp, barbecue pork, then cooking salt and sugar, then MSG. Remember that the last time I told you, don't burn the MSG, okay? Then a beetroot, then the eggs again that we use. I will cook a little bit while. Okay. Be patient, don't rush. We are not cooking a dog food. Okay. Then the last one is the curry powder. Okay, now you can see the smoke coming up and the good smell coming up also. Okay, that's it. Now, you see, this is the one I cooked. I try to have some for myself. Have a try, okay? It's beautiful. Okay, that's all for today. See you next time. Bye-bye.